correctly. First, I should provide patient privacy, help patient to supine or sitting position, and I should remove clothing from shoulder and arm. Next, I should remove thermometer pack on charging unit, attach oral thermometer probe stem or the blue tip to thermometer unit. I should grasp top of thermometer probe stem and I should not apply pressure on ejection bed. Next, I should slide disposable plastic probe cover over thermometer stem until cover locked in place. Next, I should raise patient's arm away from torso and I should inspect for skin lesions and excessive perspiration, dry axilla or selected alternation site as needed, and I should insert thermometer probe into center of axilla, lower arm over probe and place arm across patient's chest. Ma'am, okay lang ba if ikabig ko atin, ma'am? Pang-measure lang it is body temperature. And I should held probe in place until audible sound or signal indicates completion and patient's temperature appears on digital display. And I should remove thermometer probe from axilla and I should note temper reading. And next, I should push ejection button on thermometer stem to discard plastic probe and cover into appropriate receptacle. And I should return thermometer stem into storage position of recording unit. And next, I should replace linen or gown and I should perform hand hygiene again.